Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. The holidays are here. I can smell that fresh holiday air. Now you guys, we have been through so much this year, and we deserve to treat ourselves or treat someone that's near and dear to us with something really great, like a Vitamix. And speaking of a Vitamix, I had this major contest going on, you guys, giving away a Vitamix ASCENT A3500. It was my most successful giveaway ever. So please join me in congratulating Chelsea from Canada. Now she won the beautiful candy apple red, and she shared with me her first green smoothie. So congrats, Chelsea. And last but not least, Jason from the US. Now Jason chose the stellar brushed stainless metal finish, and he's using it in his office. Now he's been a Vitamix fan for a long time. Now Jason also won the blended up healthy package, but it didn't deliver in time for this video. But he will definitely enjoy that. So congrats, Jason. Hey you guys, I do these contests for one main reason, your awesome support. Now Blending with Henry maintains the #1 YouTube channel, the most blender reviews, and the highest view count at over 6 million views. Now rather than simply flashing handwritten prices and model numbers telling you to buy a Vitamix from me, I want you to enjoy the entire experience on my channel. I have the ultimate Vitamix holiday shopping gift bag, and of course they're Henry's favorites, so let me show you some great gift ideas. So you guys, if you want to get the full list of Vitamix Black Friday and Cyber Weekend holiday specials, go to blendingwithhenry.com and scroll down until you see the Vitamix gift package in the middle and click on it. Here you'll see my special page of all the promos. The Vitamix promos are separated by specific dates of availability starting from November 20th till the end of the year. So we have $50 off all new blenders, $60 off the E310, special pricing for the Vitamix ASCENT A3500 based on color, and the Vitamix ASCENT A3300, which also has special pricing for the Cyber Weekend, which is shown in the right column. On Cyber Weekend, there are also deals for certified reconditioned machines, the Air Disc Container, and the FoodCycler FC50. Now, beginning in December, there's a 20% off promo for all containers, excluding the stainless steel container. And at the very bottom, Vitamix has acknowledged Boxing Day in Canada, you guys, offering a great deal for the reconditioned V1200. Now, all the promos include fast free shipping using the links on my webpage as well as below the video. But supplies are limited, you guys, due to COVID, and I don't want you to miss out on this, so on November 20th, come shopping on blendingwithhenry.com. Vitamix has been killing it this year, you guys, with so many new products. The stainless steel container, the food processor attachment, and their latest is the Immersion Blender. Now this is it right here, so let me show it to you. The all-new Vitamix Immersion Blender. Now, here's the box that it comes in. Now, it sells for $149.95 and has a 3-year warranty. Now, in my opinion, you guys, it's a great stocking stuffer or the perfect tool for the chef at heart. Now, the bottom half is detachable with a bell-shaped design with a protective guard so it won't scratch your pots. And of course, it has the Vitamix signature blades. Now it has an ergonomic hand grip with power and speed controls on the front, and on the top it has LEDs to show the speeds 1 through 5. I use it to blend my protein shakes after the gym. Now I'm using it on the lowest speed, you guys. Now it's very powerful, so it's easy to make a spill. On my last video, you guys, I cut up ingredients to make a pizza using the food processor attachment. And I had a lot of leftover ingredients, so rather than throw them out, I made a pasta sauce with them, starting with the 48-ounce container. Then I poured the mixture into my French oven to cook it. Added some olive oil. Then I added some extra sauce that I made earlier, and I began mixing with the Immersion Blender. Now once again, you guys, this machine is very powerful, so I'm blending on speed 1. Now I'm adding extra ingredients to make it a bit more chunkier. So rather than pouring everything back into the Vitamix blender, it's easier to continue mixing with the Immersion Blender. Now, of course, you guys, if you've seen one immersion blender, you've seen them all. So there's no rocket science here, but if you want the quality of a Vitamix, this is the product to get. Now keep in mind, unlike some other immersion blenders, it does not come with any special accessories. Now I'm letting the sauce simmer. Look how beautiful that turned out. Now it's easy to make a homemade pasta sauce. Now I'm sprinkling some dried basil and adding parsley for garnish. The 12-cup food processor attachment has been selling like crazy. Now Vitamix sold out of these things, you guys, the first week of release. Now I've never had a food processor. Now mainly because the Vitamix does a lot what a food processor does. But there's some things a food processor does better. So take a look at this. The Vitamix Food Processor Attachment. Now here's the box for it, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. Now it's compatible with the Vitamix ASCENT and Ventress machines, and it does not work with the legacy machines like the Pro 750 or the 5200. Now it comes with 2 double-sided blades for thin and thick slice, large shred and small shred, along with a multi-function blade. Here I'm slicing tomatoes. Now zucchini. I also slice bell peppers and shredded onions. I also use the food processor attachment to make dough. And it easily created this delicious Italian-style artisan bread. Hey you guys, I had no issue shredding cheese. Came out perfectly. It also made perfect lengthwise eggplant slices. Now, upon announcement, the 48-ounce stainless steel container was the most anticipated product from Vitamix this year. Now, it's very well built, you guys. It's comprised of Type 304 stainless steel and is very good for specific uses. Let's take a look. Here's the box that the stainless steel container comes in and has a 3-year warranty, and it comes with a tamper. Now it's stainless steel inside and out and has measurement markings. Now it has a clear plastic lid so you can monitor your blends. Now it's compatible with the Vitamix ASCENT and all legacy 5000 series blenders. Now because it's stainless steel, it's ideal for making frosty cold drinks like my blueberry protein shake. And being a good heat conductor is great for piping hot soups. Now if you're a person who uses turmeric often, it's absolutely ideal for it as it will not stain from use. Now you guys, I've made it no secret how much I love the 48-ounce containers. I use them in my videos all the time. They're the perfect size. So here I have the air disc container for making foams, muddling, and for non-blended drinks. And here I have the dry grains container for grinding grains, milling spices, and also for dry chopping. And here I have the multi-purpose wet blade container for making smoothies, frozen desserts, nut butters, hot soups, you name it, so much more. Now the 3 of these containers, you guys, will enhance the usability of your Vitamix. These are really must-haves for your Vitamix. Now here's the box for the air disc container, and it comes with a tamper, recipe book, and a 3-year warranty. Now if you're a coffee lover like me, you guys, it makes amazing coffee foams. I also made the world famous Dalgona coffee in under 5 minutes. And it's really great for making non-blended drinks with just liquid, ice, and fruit, and it makes the best lemonade. Now I use the dry grains container quite often for grinding grains, for flour, or for turning popcorn into cornmeal. The wet blade container is multi-purpose. Earlier I showed you guys how I made the pasta sauce with it. And during the holidays I make apple cider with fresh apples. And I never get store-bought nut butter anymore, now that I can easily make it in the wet blade container. Best homemade PB&Js ever. And remember you guys, the wet blade container is designed for making all types of soups, such as my signature herb-infused creamy sweet onion soup that you may see Vitamix premiere at some point. Now you guys, all those amazing accessories will only come to life with a Vitamix. Now, next to my smart oven, it's the most used product in my kitchen. The Vitamix ASCENT A3500 and the entire ASCENT line of machines are perhaps the way to go moving forward if you're planning on expanding your Vitamix with a lot of accessories, as it's compatible with the latest products such as the food processor attachment. As well as fitting in, it will enhance the look of any style kitchen. One of my loyal viewers, Jen, shared her picture with me of her A3500 in copper, including the 48-ounce container, the stainless steel container, the perfect blend scale, the scraper tool, and the tamper holder, all of which she ordered through Blending with Henry using my links. Thanks so much, Jen, for sharing your amazing Vitamix package. Also, the E310 is a great buy if you're budget conscious or buying a gift for someone. Now, the Pro 750 is my all-time favorite Vitamix blender. Has all the manual controls and a beautiful design. Now the Venturous V1200 is an extension of the ASCENT line, fits all the accessories, and is perfect for the budget-conscious customer. Now the FoodCycler FC50 is also a must-have if you're into composting. It really does an amazing job. The 20-ounce blending cup and the 8-ounce blending bowl kits are designed for the ASCENT and Venturous machines, and perhaps the most handy accessories to accompany your Vitamix. Now, if you have a legacy or classic Vitamix, the personal cup adapter will provide you convenience of single-serve drinks with a 20-ounce blending cup. And don't forget that scraper tool, you guys, to assist in removing every drop of nut butter or even hummus from your Vitamix container. With everything I presented to you guys today, if you're a foodie or someone on your holiday shopping list is a foodie, a Vitamix package will certainly bring you or your giftee a great reason to spend more time making amazing recipes. So you guys, if you have any questions before filling up your Vitamix holiday shopping bag, reach out to me on my website, blendingwithhenry.com, and press the Ask Henry button up top. I got you covered. So let's have an amazing holiday!